follow me. The sky turns gentle, calm and blue. He whispers softly, dreams to you. The wise old owl begins to rest, dreaming safely in his nest. His feathers glow in silver light. He softly hoots a sweet goodnight. A tiny kitten purrs so small, wrapped in stardust's gentle call. She snuggles in her starry bed, with moonlight shining overhead. Who sails the silver moon, humming softly a bedtime tune. Across the sky so calm and deep, he sings, my friends, it's time to sleep. So close your eyes, drift off to sleep. The night is calm, the dreams are deep. Good night, my friends, the stars will stay to guide your dreams till break of day.